Hi to all, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you regarding Java comments. That means how the Java comments will be used, that I will explain you in this video. Before going to that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Now let's start the video. First of all, Java comments will have the following usages. First one, to make a statement or a block of code as a non-executable statement. That means the commented statements are ignored by the compiler. That means whatever the statement is commented, those statements will not be executed in the Java programming language. Next one, another usage is to describe a program or a statement or a block of code that are useful to the programmers. That means the commented statements will give a description to a program or a statement or a block of code. Then the programmer can easily understand why those statements are declared in the Java programming, that it can be very useful and understandable requirements. Next one, we can go for what are the types of comments in Java programming language. We have three types of comments in the Java programming language. First one is single line comments. Second one, multi-line comments. Third one is documentation comments, or simply called as doc comments. Most of the programming languages like C and C++ will provide only single line comments or multi-line comments. But in Java programming there is a special kind of comments are introduced, those that is documentation comments. Now let's understand detailedly about the comments. First one, single line comment, that is a / statement. That means the commented statement like system.out.printf hello Java world, this statement will not be executed by the Java programming. Second one is printing welcome message. This one is describing the following statement like system.out.printf hello Java world. This is used for describing the statement. Second one, come to the multi-line comments. The multi-line comments are used to comment the multiple statement, that is starts with the / statements and /. Now it is used for commenting multiple statements. Next one, come to the third and important comments is documentation comments. Those are starts with the / documentation and ends with the asterisk and /. This indicates documentation comments or doc comments for short. The compiler ignores these kind of comments just like it ignores the comments that uses the multiple comments. Here this documentation comments are used by the Java doc basic tool, that is nothing but Java doc.exe tool use the doc comments when preparing the automatically generated documentation. That means the comments of documentation comments are used to generate the HTML files by using the Java doc basic tool. This is very useful for preparing the documentation to your projects or otherwise to the applications. Yes, these are the three types of comments used in the Java programming language. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.